Okay, hi everyone, it's Mike Heydrich. I'm going to give you an overview of my spindle setup now that I've got everything complete. So starting off, this is the Modbus controller that was been here since I built my machine. And I've wired it to the new enclosure, which is the enclosure for the variable frequency drive to run the spindle. So looking at the inputs, we've got a serial input, we've got an output for 12 volt and 5 volt for the fans and pump. We have a spindle power wire output, which is the blue one down there, and then we got the input from the other box, so I can control the contactor with one power button. So here is my enclosure. You see the motor contactor, there's a relay, 12 volt power supply, 5 volt power supply, the X200 variable frequency drive, the RS-232 to RS-485 adapter, as well as an RJ45 breakout board and my fan. And there's a 3-pole disconnect down there as well. So that's what's in the box, and you'll see when I press the power button on the Modbus controller that the contactor in this box also latches, and now the power supplies are on and the variable frequency drive has powered up. So you can also see the RJ45 cable that's controlling or allowing me to control this whole setup with Modbus. So we'll show you the machine. Looking at it from the back, you can see the fan assembly on the radiators for the water cooling setup. Notice that those fans are off. And then here is the 2.2 kilowatt Chinese spindle with the Amphenol EcoGate connector that I changed out, as well as CNC router parts, 80mm mount, and one of Harry's cast NC drop plates. So, good old Mach will issue an M3 command to drive the spindle clockwise. After I press the resets, I currently have the speed set at 12,000 RPM. Got a digital tachometer that we will test the speed with. See, it's pretty close. I'll bump up the speed. There's 24,000. Now we'll issue a M4 command to do counterclockwise. You can watch it spin down. Now it's accelerating counterclockwise. Now we're doing 24,000 in the opposite direction. Also note, I don't know if you can see the flow indicator showing that coolant is passing. I have a manual speed controller. I can control the pump and dial it up. Now you'll notice that the flow indicator is moving a lot faster. And then when I issue the stop command, M5, you'll notice that the cooling system also powers off and the fan just shut down as well. So that's my Chinese Spindle implementation with Modbus and the intelligent relay system for the water cooling. You can also see that the lights are now off on the pump. So, thanks for watching, everybody.